How to fix the official WhatsApp required issue. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, if you are encountering this issue, then here is what you should do. Open up your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in WhatsApp. If you see update here, tap onto update and update your app. Make sure that you have installed WhatsApp Messenger and not any other application that has green phone icon on it. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto your apps, then tap on the search bar icon on your top right-hand side. Here again, type in WhatsApp. At this section, tap onto storage and then clear the cache. Once done, come back onto app info page. Force stop, then OK. Likewise, tap on set as default and untoggle this button. Once you do all this, restart your device, get logged into your WhatsApp, and this shall definitely fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then long tap onto your WhatsApp and uninstall this, reinstall again, get logged into your WhatsApp account number, and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.